Hello everyone, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. A lot of people are asking actually about the Gen AI, Gen AI. Sir, when Mohansh Technologies is going to be starting the Gen AI course? Yes, this is Gen AI 30 hours free course, which is going to be starting from November 10th, morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, so please just observe what is the content we are going to be sharing with you. This is going to be a trending course. A lot of people have request about the Gen AI. Yes, we got a lot of opportunities, and we are giving a number of courses free of cost. Like already Python full stack is going on, already Marn stack is going on, already Python and JavaScript is going on, and lot of videos we uploaded. Now people are actually asking Gen AI, generative AI, a very trending course. People are asking, sir, free batch we want. Yes, time came. So November 10th, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. we are going to be starting the Gen AI free batch. Generative AI free batch. Gen AI or generative AI. You know that na AI is the number one technology in the world nowadays. And for this, we are going to be having the topics like day one, what day one goes with, what day two goes with, what day three goes with, what day four goes with, what day five goes with. Completely beginner to expert level. Sir, 30 days Gen AI, how possible? People are asking. Yes, possible, sir. Possible. What the company requirement, that requirement related topics only we are going to be delivering. There is no scrap. There is no scrap. So zero to hero, you have to become. We are promising that we are going to be giving the Python basics onwards, like syntaxes, variables, data types, control statements, functions, modules, defining functions, arguments, data structures, and file handling, blah blah blah. So completely we are going to be dealing the Gen AI content within 30 days. There is no regret about it. Stay tuned, and please join for the group. I will share the group link in the description, and I will share the meeting link also in the description. Already meeting link also created. Yes, we are ready. We are going to be giving this Gen AI batch free of cost. No need to pay money, sir. No need to pay money. You can attend this batch. Oops, Python, a project, NumPy, data visualization, scikit-learn. Then we will be having the neural networks, transformers, LLM, setting up open AI API environment, and sorry, prompt engineering with Python. Sir, please understand the terminologies. These terminologies are actually very famous nowadays. Text generation projects, image generation in Python, speech and audio generation, LangChain introduction, using embeddings, vector databases, everything we are going to be delivering here. AI PDF questioning answer bot and retrieval augmented generation, fine tuning overview, multimodal AI presentation, agents and tool use. Then we will be having Streamlit with the AI with UI. This is very interesting, na? Sir, end of the day, without project, what we can do? Yes, we have to give the project. Okay, and how to go with the jobs. Sir, I will show jobs also. Don't worry. How generative AI is going to be available? Learn by working, workspace, atmosphere learning, master skills with the real-time work concepts, practical still you become master, real-time coding challenges, 100% job placement assistance, 100% interview preparation with coding challenges. Sir, don't waste your money, sir. People are actually charging like 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs for the generative AI outside. Yes, I know. Sure, sure. But we are not charging money. We are giving free of cost. Okay. One question. People are asking, Sir, why, sir? Generative AI, you people are giving free. Why not? If we give free, if they get jobs, they are happy. We are also happy. That is the only agenda. People need jobs. We need to stop the education mafia, sir. Education mafia, we need to stop. So that is the why reason. Actually, we are going to be giving this generative AI free of cost. No need to pay money for this. Okay. So Mohan's Technologies. This is the number. Already number is visible there. And one more thing, group link and meeting link also. I will give you in the description. I will give you in the description. Please join in the group. Or no, sir, I don't want to join in the group. Directly you can attend. Meeting link also I will separately giving in the comment section. In the comment section, I will give you. Directly you can join. There is no regret. We are going to be giving Gen AI, generative AI free of cost. Stop the mafia. People are saying that jobs are not available. Jobs are not available. Jobs are available, sir. Industry down, IT industry down. No, that is not true. That is not true. Jobs are there. Jobs are there on AI technologies. Everything including with AI, full stack including with AI, and testing including with AI, and different other courses. Power BI including with AI. Even Excel also including with AI. Every course including with AI. And Gen AI is very famous now. Gen AI is going to be giving you job. Definitely 100%. Okay, I will show you how the job market for the Gen AI, how the jobs are available for the Gen AI. Let me open the LinkedIn, sir. Let me open the LinkedIn. I will show how jobs are available for the generative AI. Let me go to the jobs area. Let me go to the jobs area. And there I want to search for Python. Python is very famous, you know, na? Number one programming language. With Python, data science, artificial intelligence, Gen AI is now trending. Gen AI is now trending. You have to remember this. With Python, generative AI is very trending. Okay, so Python and I'm giving a Gen AI or generative AI. Generative AI. Yes. Wait. Generative AI. Python, generative AI. Just I'm searching for Python and generative AI. See the job market. See the job market. TCS is requiring, sir. TCS, Deloitte, number of companies. Can you see this? Can you see this? Huge number of job openings which are available. You know now LinkedIn is the uh, uh, people available in the LinkedIn. All the IT people available in the LinkedIn. If you complete your Gen AI, then search for the job, apply for the job. We are giving you job assistance, and at the same time, we are giving you the how to prepare the resumes, how to apply for the jobs also. There is no regret about it. There is no regret about it. Okay, let me open the one more platform where people are actually searching for the jobs. Naukri. Okay, in Naukri also, if I search for, okay, let me go for the jobs area. If I search for Python and generative AI, Python, comma, generative AI. One second. Yeah, generative AI. If I search for this, how many number of jobs which are going to be available? Okay, oh my God, thousands of jobs, sir. Thousands of jobs. Thousands of jobs. You can see. Can you see the number? Imagine the number is huge. The number is huge for generative AI Python. Yes, jobs are there. Let me go for Indeed. If I go to Indeed, if I go to Indeed, huh? This is the one more platform now. There I will search for the same Python, generative AI, machine learning, deep learning. Yeah, search for this. Search for this. 10,000 plus jobs offers. 10,000 plus. job offers which are going to be available. Sir, please refer this. Please refer this particular sessions for your friends, for your family members, for your colleagues, whatever it may be. Why? Because Mohansh is providing 30 hours generative AI free of cost. Why you need to waste your money? Why you are paying the money for this? 30 hours dedicated generative AI classes will go. Definitely, sir. There is no regret about it. There is no regret about it. Yeah, let me go. Let me go. One more platform. What is that? Mm, Shine, huh? Shine.com. Shine.com is there? Yeah, Shine.com is also there. Let me search for the Python and generative AI. Python generative AI. Okay. G capital letter generative AI. Okay. Even in Shine.com I will show. Even here also. Here also. Huge number of job openings. Huge num excuse huge number of job openings. Why you are wasting your money? And this is the best opportunity. This is the best opportunity. Never before, never after. Never before, never after. Best opportunity. And please refer your friends and please refer your colleagues, refer your family members also. And we will be having a website already. So mohanstechnologies.com. Just go and inquire for generative AI. So we already have the generative AI. We already have generative AI, prompt engineering, generative AI. So you can able to go for the generative AI with this. And one more thing, sir. One more thing. We have already YouTube channel. We have already YouTube channel. There we will be having lot of videos for the generative AI. Okay, I already posted. There are a number of Gen AI videos already. Okay. Can you please watch it at least? Huge number of videos already uploaded, and we will upload lot of videos also. These recorded sessions also free. No need to pay money for the recorded sessions. Attend the class, enjoy the sessions, refer your friends also. Thanks a lot. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and I will give you the link, group link, and meeting link in the description. Just follow. One more time, I'm telling group link and meeting link also in the description. Clear? One more time, date fix November 10, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. November 10, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye. Bye for now. Have a good day, sir.